Here's what comes in the box with your 3500 Active Care console. 6 AA alkaline batteries, a mounting bracket and screws, a 12-volt DC plug pack, the console antenna, and your Active Care console. This is how to set up your 3500 Active Care console. Attach the antenna by screwing it to the top of the console as demonstrated here. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, open the battery compartment on the back of the console. Insert 6 AA alkaline batteries. Please note that the batteries are only intended to be a backup source of power for the console. We recommend you use the supplied plug pack as your primary source of power. When the unit has power, the power LED on the front of the console will be illuminated. Along the side of your device there are 3 controls: volume, button lock, and tracking. The volume control allows the volume of the audible alarm in the console to be adjusted. The volume can be adjusted from off to maximum. The button lock control disables the Program, Select 1 and Select 2 buttons on the front of the console when the selector switch is in the on position. This prevents any accidental programming or erasing of wireless devices from the console's memory. Please ensure the selector switch is in the off position before attempting to program the console. The tracking control monitors any pads that are paired with the system to check they are still in range and communicating with the console. You can disable this function by moving the selector switch to the off position. To enter programming mode, press and hold the program button on the front of the console. Let go as soon as the letters PP appear on the LED screen. The screen should now read 01, indicating it is on the first channel. To cycle through the channels, use the Select 1 and Select 2 buttons. The Select 1 button will increment the number displayed by tens, whereas the Select 2 button will increase it by units. While there are a total of 99 channels you can pair to, the console's memory can only hold 60 devices. With the console screen set to channel 01, I'm going to pair 3 devices to it: a 3503 Active Care magnetic reed switch, a 2630 cordless chair pad with a 2719 cordless pad transmitter, and a 2588 personal emergency transmitter or PET. To pair the reed switch with the console, pull apart the magnetic bar from the sensor. The sensor/door LED is illuminated to indicate that a product categorized as sensor/door has been paired to this channel. To pair the cordless chair pad, slide the selector switch on the 2719 transmitter to on. Now the pad LED on the console should be illuminated. Press the red call button on the PET to pair it to the console. Since the PET is a call device, the call LED will be illuminated when one is paired. You can pair as many devices as you require to a single channel, as long as it doesn't exceed the maximum of 60. Before we can continue with setting up, we need to take the 2719 transmitter out of sleep mode. To do this, apply pressure to the pad for approximately 15 seconds. You must do this anytime the transmitter is switched from off to on. To exit programming mode, press and hold the program button until the console beeps and the LED screen goes blank. Let's test to see if the programming was successful. The reed switch will trigger the console alarm when the magnetic bar is separated from the sensor. The display will tell you what number channel the product that has caused the console to alarm is paired to, in this case channel 1. Additionally, one of the LEDs on the console's left-hand side will illuminate to tell you which kind of product has caused the console to go into alarm. Since the reed switch is a sensor/door product, that is the LED that has illuminated. To cancel the alarm, press and hold the reset button until the console beeps and the LED screen goes blank. To trigger the pad alarm, apply pressure to the pad. The console will acknowledge that pressure has been added by illuminating the LED screen with the numbered channel the product is paired to. When pressure is taken off, the console will go into alarm. The pad LED will flash to indicate that it was a pad or mat that triggered the alarm. To cancel the alarm, press and hold the reset button. The PET triggers the console alarm when the red call button is pressed. As it is a call device, the call LED will be the one flashing. Again, simply press and hold the reset button to cancel the alarm. To erase devices from the ActiveCare console's memory, press and hold the program button and release as soon as it beeps and displays PP on the LED screen. Go to the channel you wish to erase the paired devices from. To erase the channel, press and hold the reset button until the console beeps. Any product LEDs that had been illuminated should now be off. Press and hold the program button once more to exit programming mode. Now when you trigger the devices, the signal will no longer be received by the console. That is how to set up your 3500 ActiveCare console.